What's going on, everybody? Quentin here. I'm going to talk to you guys about building the pipeline, okay? So a lot of people, when they get started in my company, the first thing that we go over is why it's important to not be fixated on just one house.
I want to check. Ooh, I want to check. Ooh, I want to check. I want to check. I want to check.
Now, people fall in love with some properties. People get so infatuated with one house, sometimes they're stuck there and they don't understand the idea of creating a pipeline, okay? So honestly, guys, I've been doing this for a long time. I know that for every one house that I find, I have to focus on 5 houses in front of it. So I'm always thinking about 5 houses ahead. If I put one property on contract, that one does have a minimal amount of my attention, as much as needed to get the deal done. But I'm constantly thinking about adding 5 more to it. If I find 2 houses, now I'm thinking about 10 houses ahead. You get what I'm saying? The importance of building the pipeline isn't so that you have this one property and be infatuated with it is going to close. It's not being so dependent on that one house. Put that house in the back burner. Know in your heart that it's going to close. Focus on the next 4 that come on top of your table and try to close those at the same time, okay? So remember, guys, it's not about one house, right? It's about creating the pipeline. So from now on, think 5 deals ahead. For every one property that you find, 5 more in front of it. Talk to y'all soon.
I want to check. Ooh, I want to check.